Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Titan, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your heated seats. So with the vehicle on, you'd have to have it turned on for them to work. But for your button functions, this is for your driver's side here. So this would be your max heat, like a lower heat, and then to have it just turned off, it's kind of right in the middle. Same process for the passenger seat, high, low, and then off. And the rear seats, if you've got this function, you can check here. These are the same buttons functions for your rear seats, so they got the same controls. While the vehicle's on and you're using you should see it light up for whether it's high or low. If these don't light up at all, the first thing I check is your fuses. Make sure you don't have a burnt fuse that's making these inoperable. And also, a way to test if these are working right is just while you have it say on high and you're sitting in the seat for a few minutes, you should start to feel your butt get warm. And yeah, if they aren't working at all after you check those fuses, you could also check. You might need to check under the plastic, make sure there's no loose connections for the board these are connected to. Maybe under the seats, check underneath the seats to make sure all the connections are properly attached. And then sometimes, like worst case, maybe a bunch of stuff spilled all over the seats and it shorted out something in the heating mechanism. You might need to replace something with that heater or the seat itself. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.